Today we will discuss about complexity of algorithm. Okay, so let us start with definition of complexity of algorithm. So the definition of time complexity is written, and it can be understood as time complexity is computational complexity that describes amount of time it takes to run an algorithm. Okay, so first thing to understand that complexity of algorithm can be measured by measuring the amount of time it takes to run an algorithm. Okay, so time complexity is estimated by counting number of elementary operations, which is written in the second line, number of elementary operations performed by an algorithm. Okay, so now I will discuss one example to make it more clear. Okay, so now look at the example. Okay, there is a for loop which prints an statement n number of times. Okay, so suppose it takes some time c, so total time taken is, and loop execute n number of times, so the time taken will be n into c, where c is a constant time. So the complexity of this algorithm can be said to be order of n. Okay, means whatever will be the value of n, it will be of order n. Okay, now look at this example. Okay, this is a very common statement which is used to get the sum of many things. So now if I ask what is the complexity of this algorithm, then what will be the answer? Sum equal to sum plus I, it will almost take constant time. Okay, and this starts from n and goes to n minus 1, means n minus 1 steps will be there. Okay, n minus time minus 1 times it will be executed. So time t can be calculated as n minus 1 into c, which comes out to be n c minus c. Okay, so here c is constant, and only your time depends on n, which is a variable, which is number of times it will be executed. So again complexity of this algorithm will be of order n. Okay, so is it clear? Means we remove constant terms of order n, means it will be time will be n multiplied by some number. Okay, so if I will plot a line, okay, between, okay, number of executions and t, it will be of order n, means it will be linear. Okay, line of complexity will be linear. Okay, now look at this problem. Okay, here there are two loops, and we have to calculate the complexity of this algorithm which uses these two loops. So statement takes suppose c time. Okay, almost constant time. Okay, but here this will execute n time, and this will execute I time and I varies. So in this case it is not as easy to guess the time as it was in examples which were described here. Okay, so how to calculate the time here, because time is time complexity. Okay, so let us try to do one thing. Okay, okay, when I is equal to 0, uh, this statement will execute up to 0, means statement will be executed 0 times. Okay, when I is equal to 1, statement will be executed 1 time. When I is equal to 2, statement will be executed 2 times. Okay, so it is something like, means suppose for value k it will be executed 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k. Okay, and if it is n, it will be executed 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and 2. So as we know that sum of this is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so this time it will be executed multiplied by c time, which is taken to execute this statement. Okay, so now if I try to simplify this, it this comes out to be n square by 2 plus n by 2 and whole into c. Okay, c is constant. So what is the maximum order? So order is n square. So complexity of this algorithm is O n square. We take highest polynomial for complexity, because this when I will plot, this will this will be plotted as of the order of n square, which will look something like parabola. Okay, look like parabola, means because n by 2 term is also there, so there will be some changes in the shape, but more or less like a parabola. So this is how complexity of algorithms is calculated.